So now stage 4 is your actual 30-day Ramadan Legacy Planner. It begins with a night before Ramadan Checklist, which again is a new feature of the new version of the planner. We found that this is helpful because when the moon is sighted, which is sometimes you find that out last minute, everyone is scrambling around to figure out what should I actually do at this point in time. And all of a sudden we realize that we need to rush to the masjid and pray Tarawih. So we have a checklist to help you before the month of Ramadan begins. What we then have is a daily page, which is a double page spread. And I'm going to take some time to explain how do you best use this double page spread. So the first thing that you do is you fill out what the date is. And if you're fasting this day or not, and if you're excused, you then track your worship in each day through tracking your prayers, your Quran, and some habits as well. And there's also a schedule section where you can write down what are the key things that you want to achieve today, or what is on your schedule for the day. Perhaps you're working, perhaps you're a parent, perhaps you run a business or an organization, or you're an imam of a masjid, or just someone who's got extra things that they need to do. So you write down all of those things on your schedule so that you can understand what time do you have and what time can you make for the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala today. Another key section of this double page are the daily goals. So you can see that there's 3 daily goals that you'll be able to set for yourself. Now these daily goals are ultimately fueled by what you set your goals to be in the previous section of the planner. So if you set that your goal was to improve your prayer, and you set down what those 3 goals were to help you to improve your prayer, then inching one step towards achieving those goals would essentially be the goal that you would set on this section of the planner. That way your daily goals align with your overall goals for Ramadan, which align with that overall change that you're trying to make in the month of Ramadan as well. And there's also reflection space here, and different people like to use the reflection space in different ways. But you can use it for notes on something that you've learned or studied on that day, for daily gratitude in the morning or the evening, or just extra space that you need to brain dump all your ideas, what's going on in your mind or your heart in that day in the month of Ramadan, so that you can track your Ramadan legacy. So these 2 daily pages are really, the be all and end all of your Ramadan daily legacy kind of journey that you go through. But incrementally doing this through 30 days helps you build up that habit that you need to continue on this worship for the rest of the year.